Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, stock number B8975A. 82,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, true blue in color. Grand Caravan is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Sliding doors on both sides of the van. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Deep storage well. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean as you can see, no dents or dings in the body. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player with auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Slide-out cup holders, power outlets. More storage in the removable center console. And dual glove boxes with the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6-liter V6. 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.